Greetings and welcome back to the Austin Lindsay channel. Today we are shooting this 70s style outdoor backyard set. So this set has a ton of lights. This one up here is our key light. This is just a really tall light stand. We have a fake plant in front of here to cast a little bit of a shadow down here and some dappling. And then I have a diffuser over here, and that blocks off some of the super bright light from the corner over here and gives a nice gradient on the back wall. There's no really particular order for these, so I'm just gonna go in order that I'm near them. Our next light up here is this Profoto with a softbox, just casting some overhead light to kind of look like some overhead from the sun, some fill light on the table. Next light over here is another fill light. It's coming from camera left, and this is just giving some fill light on this side because otherwise this whole area of the image would be pretty dark. And then we have a bunch of background lights. Let's walk around there and I'll show you what I've got going on there. So let me talk about this one first. This one is just a hard light shining through the brick here, or quote-unquote brick. This is just actually just foam core poly board that they are set crew routed out. And so this is just shining through here, adding some light here. You can actually see some of these little lines right here, just adding a little bit of light coming back from the background from the quote-unquote sun. Next here is a fill light, just lighting up this side. So it's not really hard light, it's just kind of adding a little bit more fill coming in from this side. And then back here I have two lights, and these are basically just shining onto these white boards, creating kind of a circle gradient, gradiating out. This one's over here is just a little bit higher. Since our sun is back behind this portion right here, I wanted them to kind of look like they were following the angle of the sunlight. So this one over here, just a little bit higher, it's doing the same thing, just creating a little bit of circle of gradient. And you can see them through the lattice wall. If you look through here, you'll be able to see these lights bouncing through, back through to the camera. And then our camera angle is right here. I'm using a Canon 5D Mark IV as usual. 24 to 70 lens, parked at 35 millimeters. And then we have our settings are ISO 200, f9, and 1/200th of a second.